You get to jump off a giant tree right next to a waterfall. And then just chill. Pretty dope. Turned it! Alright, we got Tyler out here suiting up. What you about to go do, bro?
About to go depth check this here waterfall.
Yes, sir.
Haven't seen too many people jump from this one, so who knows if it's doable or where. But we'll check it out, see what's up.
Depth checker pro right here. Tyler always gets her done, always finds a safe spot for us to land, and makes all these jumps doable. So when you do this shit, always depth check. Don't shortcut. You need to know what you're jumping into. There's a lot of rocks under there. Be safe, y'all.
There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. There goes a sight from my soul. I think it's all angels just walk by. I think it's all angels just walk by.
Let's go!
Walk by. I think it's all angels just walk by. There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my there goes a sight. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. There goes a sight from my soul. I think it's all angels just walk by.
Alright, here we go. McCloud Falls, middle. About to go down. Take this plunge.
Just walk by. I think it's all angels just walk by. There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes
another success. Pro depth checker right here. TJ.
Aquaman, as they call me.
Aquaman, that's TJ.
Breathe underwater.
Here it is. Stand by me. We made it. Where are we at, Tyler?
The Stand By Me bridge. The iconic bridge from the movie.
About to send it. Another good jump for the weekend. Already gotten in a bunch. Good one to end on right here.
Well, that long train is running. I see it coming round the bend.